Alpha male is not a character. He is the creator of his life. As a matrix man, you are just a puppet, just a character in the movie of the matrix, in the movie of the society, in the movie of your family. You have a legacy of parents, grandparents, then the entire setup of the matrix is such that you are just one of the characters playing the role of the father, son, or anyone who is just one character in the big movie called the matrix, and you are not the hero of your life. You are not even the villain of your life. You are just a character, side character, who is playing a side role in the other people's heroic story, and you are made to play the character who has not much importance in the movie of the matrix. How does your brain feel when you are just a character? Ask yourself as a man, do you feel that your testosterone is getting released? Do you feel that there is a sense of achievement being the character? How do you feel at night after all the busyness that you do in the world? This is the matrix man, typical matrix man. Just I gave a background of the matrix man to make you understand how the alpha male is different from the matrix man. Alpha male is the creator of his life. First of all, he is not a character of the matrix people. He is not a character of the movie created by the matrix people. This means that he has no role to play in the matrix. If you are going to become an alpha male, then understand that there is no side role or side character role in the movie run by the world, run by the matrix, run by the society, run by your family, run by your father, where he is the hero, or your mother, or the entire setup. You are not carrying any legacy. You are not a part of any sequel of the movie run by the matrix. The matrix movie has been carried forward for now many centuries, and you are just one of the next character in the next sequel. An alpha male creates his own life from zero, from scratch. This means that you have no identity in the existing world. You create your own identity for the universe through your own ability, through your own efforts, through your own power, through your own intelligence, through your own creative potential. You create a life of your own where you are not dependent on anything of the matrix. It seems very challenging for you to understand this aspect, but this is what an alpha male is. He is not a job holder, he is not a business holder of the matrix. He has created something unique, maybe an invention, maybe some discovery, maybe through his exploration, he has brought something new to this earth. And this is where the evolution of the new being, the evolution of the new human organism takes place. And I create the new human organism with more potential, more intelligence, and more consciousness that is not available in the present matrix world. The matrix itself, the world and the society setup that is going on in the world is a failure. It's a failed concept. It is an outdated concept. Nobody in the matrix, nobody in the society, nobody in the present world is healthy and happy. An alpha male is healthy and happy without any reason. He is happy and healthy every moment because he is focusing on his life and the potential creator in him. Man that you know has evolved over millions of years, has come to a saturation. This new consciousness, this new evolution that I am talking about is totally different. This means that you are no more a part of the herd of the sheep of the world. You are a new species altogether, not even the lion of the existing species. You are the white tiger. I can say that to make you understand that you are the white tiger who has evolved into a different species with different characteristics and different special features. You have created your own way of living life because you are not following anything, any programming done by the existing world. You have no desires that has left unfulfilled. You have mastered and gone beyond your desires. It is not the state of desireless where there is complete state of enlightenment, where you have attained the stage where you need nothing. It is totally different than what you can understand right now. It is the state where you have transcended beyond the limitations created by the society, by the world and the matrix about the perception of living life. When you look beyond this transcended reality, you know that everything is available in abundance. Everything is here and now. Everything that I can create is from the quantum field. I take you to the quantum field of possibilities where everything is possible with your energy. I work on your generative energy. This is a different, dynamic, instinctive, unpredictable and the way of life where you create from the quantum field. This means that your attention determines your reality. Your attention creates your reality. Where is your attention going? Ask yourself right now if you want to check on how your potential is getting lost. Do you feel any dopamine release when you do anything of the matrix? Doing mundane task, working with whatever task you do, whether in technology or physically, is this releasing the real testosterone level in you? Do you feel the masculine energy of transcending beyond what the average man is doing? Your creative potential is lying dormant in you, and that is the generative energy which is beyond what you can even imagine. The generative energy that I work on is of totally different quality. I work on cleaning you, purifying you and transforming you by removing all the blockages in your electromagnetic field, your energetic field. You are millions of cells and an electromagnetic field united together and operating as this human organism. But you are limited with the personality, character and the limitations of the conditioned mind which believes that it is limited. When you remove all of this, when you get free from all of this, then you know that you are pure potential. You are pure potential which can expand, which can create different kinds of realities. And I'm sure when you start working on yourself, you will know that there is unlimited potential lying in you which you have never ever accessed. So if you want to become an alpha male, not the character but the creator, then I am here. All right. So stay tuned. Bye bye.